Hello everyone. Today's video will teach you how to identify the internal parts of hydraulic cylinders or pumps.
Objectives. At the end of this video, you can be able to dismantle the gear pump, replace the worn-out component and reassemble the gear pump, test the pump for proper functioning. Let us discuss hydraulic pumps. A hydraulic pump is a device that converts mechanical force and motion into hydraulic energy. Many different sources provide mechanical power to the pump. They are electric motors, air motors, engines, and manual operation. Classification of pumps. Pumps are classified as either non-positive or positive displacement. This describes the fundamental division of pumps. Non-positive displacement pumps. The non-positive displacement type pump gives continuous discharge. The non-positive displacement pump does not provide a good seal against slippage, causing pump output to vary as the system pressure changes. The volume of fluid delivered during each cycle will depend on resistance to flow in the system. Centrifugal pumps are the non-positive displacement pumps. Positive displacement pumps. A positive displacement pump provides positive internal seal against slippage. This type of pump can deliver a definite volume of fluid for each cycle of pump operation. Closing the outlet of a positive displacement pump causes an instantaneous increase of pressure. This increase in pressure can stall the equipment or break up of components. Gear pump is an example of positive displacement pump. External gear pump. External gear pump is the most common type rotary pump. In this pump, the drive gear is turned by a drive shaft which engages the power source. The inlet port is connected to the supply line and the outlet is connected to the pressure line. As gears rotate, the volume of area on the inlet increases, thereby decreasing the pressure and making it possible for the atmospheric pressure exerted on the surface of the liquid in the reservoir to push the liquid into the inlet port. This causes liquid to be trapped in the gear space as the gears rotate and to be carried from the inlet port to the discharge port. This action produces flow of liquid into the system. A tighter seal against slippage can be accomplished by a metallic contact between the teeth ensures the seal against slippage. Important parameters of external pump. Displacement's volume 0.2 to 200 cm3 per revolution. Suitable for pressure up to 300 bar. Fixed displacement only. Generally noisy. Compact and low weight. Low cost. Let us gather the necessary tools and components for this experiment. Bench vise, Allen head socket wrench, internal snap ring plier, gear pump, O-ring, oil seal. Dismantle the gear pump. Clamp the unit in a vise from the flange side. Make sure the vise jaws are clean and have smooth surfaces. Use an Allen head socket wrench to loosen the bolts on the cover assembly. Unscrew the bolts completely and remove them. Inspect the threads for damage. Remove the cover assembly carefully. Some of the pumps may have a shaft seal. In such a case, remove the cover assembly with care to prevent any damage to the seal. Place the cover assembly on the workbench. Inspect the wear plate for wear and tear. Do not use sharp tools to remove the seal. Carefully remove the gear plate and remove the dowel pins. During disassembling the unit, mark the relative positions of the gear mesh and the body that helps during reassembly. Remove the idler shaft and drive shaft from its bearing bore. Inspect the journals and the flat faces top and bottom of the gears. Ensure these surfaces are free from burrs or scratches. If scratches are found, clean them with very fine emery cloth. Rewash the gears with light oil. Remove the wear plate from the assembly. Remove the shaft seal and snap ring from the body assembly. Use internal snap ring pliers to remove snap ring. Keep all the components of pump in proper manner and in clean place. Recap.
In this video, we have discussed the hydraulic pumps, their classification, and how to dismantle the external gear pump. I hope that after watching this video, you will be able to dismantle the external gear pump. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.